Hey folks, Dono here from masterflash.net with another installment of Drupal 7 Commerce. For this particular set of videos, we focus on file downloads and making use of the Commerce File module. We really start from scratch and go all the way through testing new ideas throughout the tutorial. We can create basic products with one single download, one product that has a variant of downloads, one product that has multiple downloads that needs to be delivered when one single product is purchased. Large video format or large file formats, sometimes using shared host, you don't have the ability to set your limit. So I show you the way to get around that. And a lot of good stuff in here. I'll just roll through some of these examples to kind of show you what I'm talking about. The particular product that's up in front of you right now is just a basic product. If we were to check out, it's just going to deliver one file. The next step that we did was the software download test. This is basically creating products with variants. All right, what we were able to do is set it up. Let's say that if you're selling some type of software and you don't want to deliver both Windows and Mac softwares to one user, you can let the user choose which one they want. For Macs, it's going to cost $500, and this is the image for Mac. If we change it and it goes for people who use Windows, it's going to be $3, and of course the image changes. Now what that does is, as they check out through the process, it's going to set the Windows download for this particular user if we added this to cart and checked out. So that's one way of doing it. The next bit was the multiple download product. I go through and actually show you how to set up products to be able to manage, from one download up to 20 downloads that need to get delivered per product, where the user account is going to automatically be issued file licenses based on however many downloads that you need to be a part of that product. Okay, so on top of that, we also did large file testing as well. Sometimes a lot of people are stuck using shared hosts. I show you the way to work around attaching smaller files or larger files by making use of the server and what we have available to us in the Commerce File module. This particular file right here is about 40 or 50 megs that we worked with. Clearly, you don't have to download that, but just in the example, we needed to use a heavy file to make sure that we can attach it and it works successfully. That's essentially it. We messed around a little bit, just going through obviously the licenses, how you control them, how you update them, how you do all that good stuff. Got it set up to where things can adjust inside of feeds. For example, this is an actual feed that we're looking at here. If I adjust this, the image changes in here, the cost changes in here. We really did our best to try to include every single aspect of selling the digital files in this set of video tutorials. I can only hope that you enjoy them.